Kar thieth ma Mama Lucy Kibaki ochako chenro mar ndiko jotuo e okumba mar thieth mar SHA mondo jotuo te oyud thieth ma oko rem yudo wachno nikech omenda. Jotuo machopo mar yudo thieth koro indiko e okumba mar SHA seche ma giyudo thieth kapok yudo thieth e kar thieth no, kendo biro luwo wach chudo bang'e ne okumba no. Apisa motelo ne kar thieth ma Mama Lucy Frederick Obwanda wacho ni giyudo jotuo moingo 1,500 kendo gipuoyo okang' mar ndiko jotuo e okumba mar SHA nimar osegolo deko mar jotuo yudo thieth.
They are permanent and pensionable.
There has been a lot of conversations between the county government and the doctors and the clinical officers on how to manage all those shortcomings that the practitioners felt that we were not living up to. Now that has been ongoing, and I think it should be concluded either today or tomorrow, and all of them should come back to work. But then there's also the other conversation that that is being left out here in the process of medical practitioner strike. That as an institution we need to keep our doors open. We need to function, because even as much as there are some of our colleagues who are on strike, we still have patients that come through our doors that need care.